Chris, I'm going to explain how you can use permission settings in Claude Code to control tool call behavior. So this includes what tools can be called and what those tools can access. You'd want to do this if you want to prevent unwanted tools, or if you want to restrict which subagents can be invoked, control which files and domains can be accessed, as well as just protect against any issues like prompt injections or accidents like changing test files or things like that. Everything is going to be controlled through this permissions object. So in your settings.json file, or if you have inline JSON when you're calling Claude via CLI, you'll have a permissions object. That is going to let you specify denied, asked to approve, or allowed tool calls. Those tool calls are in specifiers, so you can deny an entire tool, or you can provide a more fine-grained specifier for that tool call. So example here, you have deny all writes, but you can also have a specific path, say like denying edits to a test directory. Everything is evaluated through this order of deny first. After that, you have ask, and then you have allow. So deny takes precedence over ask, which takes precedence over allow. So with each of those arrays where you have a deny, ask, or allow array, and each of them specifies a tool call, that tool call can also be a specifier rather than the entire tool. This will let you be a little bit more specific about what you're going to allow, deny, or ask for. It's going to vary based on the tool. So for read, write, and edit, for example, you're using path patterns, but for other tools, it could be a domain, or it could be a bash command. With read, write, and edit, you're using these gitignore style path patterns, and you have 4 different prefixes for how a path is evaluated. I personally prefer to use the project root path prefix whenever I can, but of course sometimes you're going to need to use other prefixes. With a web fetch tool, you can specify a domain, but you have to specify each subdomain separately, meaning that if you deny github.com, you're not actually denying cli.github.com. This also means you can't use a wildcard to capture all subdomains. You have to be specific about which subdomain you want to allow, deny, ask for approval for. The way around this would be to use a pre-tool use hook. I'll get into more about pre-tool use hooks and when you want to use those in general, but generally you're going to need custom logic to broaden how your domains are being specified with web fetch. Similarly with bash, you can again have specific patterns. You can actually also use wildcard specifiers here. So for example, we can allow any npm command with bash npm star. The issue with bash and limitation is that a lot of bash commands have workarounds, right? Bash can essentially run arbitrary code as long as you can write, let's say, a Python script or any other programming language and run that. The best way to use this bash command is to allow certain commands, but if you want to deny anything, you're going to need pre-tool use hooks or sandboxing, which will let you control which files can be accessed, which domains can be accessed, and get that at the operating system level. Agent, much more simple. Just specify which subagent by its name, whether it's a custom agent like my-agent, or it could be something like the plan or explore agent as well. So all that is great for using permissions objects for broad overall control and restrictions. If you need something more specific, you're probably going to need to use permissions object along with something else. So for example, if you want to control exactly what files Claude can access at any given time, as well as domains, that's where sandboxing is perfect, right? The bash tool can do a lot of things, but if you want to at least control file access, you can use sandboxing. I actually made a tool called the Shelly Sandbox CLI that helps with this. So I'm providing that link in the description and up here so you can check it out. If you also need something like any custom arbitrary logic on any tool call, you'll use a pre-tool use hook. So this lets you inspect anything that's going into a tool call and then decide whether to approve it, deny it, modify it, etc. So if you wanted to say allow a specific web fetch URL page path, this is what you would need to do, is you would need a pre-tool use hook. That is about it when it comes to permission settings. They're pretty straightforward on their own, but again, you can combine them with sandboxing, pre-tool use hooks, and other ways to configure your Claude Code so that you get the exact behavior you want. Definitely check out the Claude Code docs, and if you're specifically looking for extra details on how to use Claude Code. Thank you.